And so we have Aqua Universalis Forte. I'm also trying to get ready for the spring season. What's y'all's very first purchase for 2022? Grand Soir, because I can't get enough of this. And we needed it. We needed another travel because look at this. This is almost gone. This is almost gone. It's halfway. And then Oud Silk Mood, the extra version. I've never tried that. Then we have Matcha Meditation. I have a dupe for this, and I have half, you know, I want to confirm if it's spot on, which I'm pretty sure it is. It's from Andromeda's Moon. She does great, amazing dupes. Nose. Oh, this is the 1969 Histories de Parfum. So we'll be breaking these down throughout the week. This is Amary's Femme. Okay. And in order to find out if this is the EDT or the EDP version, or what is it? At the other one, the Aqua Vitae, I had to go back and look at my order and see what I ordered, because it doesn't say it on the little label. Just a heads up as well. Okay, so next we have, oh, another Amary's Femme. I guess I got lost. In what all samples I was ordering. Gentle Fluidity Silver. I was real interested in wanting to know. They say that this one leans more masculine. So we're gearing up for spring, like I said. And this is Aqua Vitae. This is the Aqua Vitae. So I totally had to spray that because it just popped up on sale, and that happens to be my very first purchase of 2022. Expanding the Maison Francis Kurkdjion collection. This is Baccarat Rouge 540. I don't know why I chose that if I had ordered a full bottle. And Aqua Universalis. Okay, so this is different than the Forte. The Aqua Universalis Forte, I read, was supposed to be kind of, what is the word? A longer lasting or deeper, warmer. The notes are different for sure. We'll investigate. And then Aqua Celestia. So yeah, let's go ahead and spray those really quickly. What do we start off with? The Aqua Celestia. Aqua Celestia. Let's see how that is. So these are first impressions. Never smelled these before, ever. Aqua Celestia. I get that aquaticness, definitely. Anytime I think about aqua aquatic, I'm sorry, I think about Aqua di Gio. Here comes Charlie. I can hear him. That is nice. We'll have to see what that gives on the skin. Aqua Celestia. Very nice. Very aquatic. For sure. Where do we put them? Over here. Oh my goodness. That's nice. And let's do the Aqua Vitae. Where are we? Because I sprayed this on my skin. This one is so interesting. It has, and the reason that I can talk about this one is because I researched the notes, and like I said, we have a bottle of this coming because it's my first purchase of 2022. This year, I'm going to try to do one full bottle, maybe quarterly, hopefully, because we have enough to play with here. And meanwhile, we'll just be getting samples and decants to review on the channel, and not to mention go over everything we have. Okay, so this one opens up with lemon and mandarin. I think it was lemon. I don't have the notes in front of me, but it just opened up beautifully. And it has vanilla and tonka bean in the dry down. So it's fresh and it's warm at the same time. It's just a beautiful fragrance. And I fell in love with it. I said, okay, this is nice for spring. So this is Aqua Vitae by MFK. I got the EDT version, and I did check. I did order the EDT sample. So I do want to give this a ride, but it's cold. Now it's cold. All right, so that's nice. That's really nice if you're interested in something for the spring. Baccarat Rouge 540. I already know what that smells like. I've already sampled this. couple of times. It made me feel like, where's my champagne? Love this one. Of course, it's a staple, I feel. Gentle Fluidity Silver. This is one that I have no clue about. They say that it's more masculine leaning than the Gentle Fluidity Gold, and I fell in love with the Gentle Fluidity Gold. Ooh, okay. That is not going to be nice for the hubs. I'm going to leave that up here for him. Okay, yes. Is there lavender in here? If you are a fan of masculine leaning scents, you really enjoy that aspect, I would go for Gentle Fluidity Silver. This is masculine to me. This is masculine leaning. It's fresh. It's very fresh. I thought I had gotten a gold. Now I want to compare it now. I want to compare this to the Gentle Fluidity Gold. I know that what they did was they flipped the notes. So whereas, they made one of the notes in the composition like a little, okay, it's nice. It's fresh. But I'm going to leave it up there for my guy. That's for him. I like masculine leaning scents. Don't get me wrong. I do. But I don't care for the ones that are too fresh and masculine. If you like that, then go for this. Definitely. Now I want to do the gold. Why do I love the gold so much if the silver just was not for me right now? Definitely not for me. And I do like the Aqua Vitae, like I just said. So this is the Gentle Fluidity Gold. And let's make this the scent of the day. Ooh! Scent of the day. Oh my goodness. You see? So wonderful. I'll come back tomorrow with this Gentle Fluidity Gold and we will go through the notes. I'll let y'all know what the dry down gives me. I'll let y'all know if it goes the distance. I'm pretty sure it does. This Gentle Fluidity Gold. And it does not give me that fresh, masculine leaning that one just did. Hold on, let me get the one. This is fresh and masculine leaning. And this is warm and beautiful. I love this. Okay, so scent of the day for today and tomorrow as well. I'll sport this tomorrow. Come in and I will go over the notes probably later on. Yeah, we'll go through this one. Gentle Fluidity Gold. Good deal. Oh my god. Okay, we still have a few to go through. We have Aqua Universalis Forte. Okay, let's do this one first. I'm excited about that one. This one doesn't want to spray, you guys. Okay, got it. Aqua Universalis Forte. This one is reminding me of freshness, but not fresh like the this one's nice. Aqua Universalis Forte, but I went for the Aqua Vitae. Yeah, so this one does not have any warmth to it. I don't believe. It's also seeming a little bit, okay, it's reminding me of soap. I'm getting soapiness from this one, which I thought I was going to get from the Vitae, and luckily I didn't because I really enjoyed it. That one's very, very fresh but soapy. And what about the Aqua Universalis? Oh, everybody's yelling out there. I gotta go. Aqua Universalis. Oh my gosh. So I would not go for the Aqua Universalis Forte as my scent of the day. And I'm not even sure about this one. Aqua Universalis. These are just not my jam. That's the deal. Not like the Gentle Fluidity Gold. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. And this is soapy. Like a very, very clean smell. Very clean. Wow. Okay. So yeah, that's not in my wheelhouse either. Not sure I could pull that off. It's so weird that I liked the Aqua Vitae though. Okay, let's see the Oud Silk Mood Extract version. No, let's just go regular before. Do I have the Oud Silk? No, I don't have the Oud Silk Mood regular, so let's just do the extract. Let's see what's going on here. I have not ever. These are crazy. Oh, wow. Oud Silk Mood. Why is it smelling like licorice to me? It's smelling like licorice a little bit, but then not really. It's good. Okay, this is one that I could try. This is one that I could try for scent of the day. Oud Silk Mood Extract. It's nice. Anything that has just a tinge or touch of sweetness I can do. Even though the Aqua Vitae does not have a touch of sweetness, I really enjoy it. Let me get that one out again. That was good. The Oud, and we'll explore that one this week. So we're doing Gentle Fluidity Gold for Monday. If it warms up again, we'll do the Aqua Vitae. You see, I like this. It's not just straight up soap to me. So I'm not caring for the Aqua Universalis or the Forte or the Aqua Celestia. Oh, this one was not Celestia. This was the Forte. Aqua Universalis. Yeah, no, those are just straight up soapy smelling to me. Beautiful, I'll bet, but very not my deal. Not at all. Okay, so I'll leave those there. Everything that I can sport, I'm putting over here. The Amary's Femme. Did we do this one yet? Oh gosh, I got lost. I don't think we did this one yet. It's smelling good from the cap. Oh, this might be another one. So we can do Gentle Fluidity Gold. Ooh, we can do Aqua Vitae and the Oud Silk Mood. I also ordered Oud Satin Mood, but it's not here yet. Yes! Oh my gosh, Amary's Femme. You guys. This one's nice. We'll have to see what that gives on the skin, but this is nice. I like it. Whew, it's nice. Definitely. All right. We will save the Matcha Meditation for when I decide to compare it to my dupe. Add the 1969. Well, I'm not even going to spray the Grand Soir because I know because I know exactly what this smells like. It smells just beautiful. Well, let's just spray it for you guys. It smells wonderful. It's because I ran out of test strips. Oh, here we go. So this one, it's just amber and vanilla and oh, and it leans a little masculine, I'm not going to lie, but this is where my Kylie Vanilla 28 comes in. I like it on its own, however. Amber and vanilla and deliciousness is in the Grand Soir. Okay. I think that's it. I don't want to spray the Matcha Meditation, but I am curious about this 1969. Let's just spray the note card. Do we have enough for a week here? Let's see. We can do the Aqua Vitae, the Oud Satin Mood Extract, the Amary's Femme, and the, is that the only three? The Grand Soir. I wonder what day we cover that. And one more. I'm not sure. Let's see what this is. Oh, well, we can do the Baccarat Rouge extract because I've never tested that for a full day. I haven't. So this is 1969 by Histories de Parfums. Oh, that's interesting. That's reminding me of the Grand Soir for whatever reason. A little bit. That's nice. That's not bad at all. 1969 Histories de Parfums. I think they have a sampler set we can get a hold of and give those a run. And I'll let you know how that goes. Yeah, because the Grand Soir has the amber, the benzoin, vanilla, and the tonka bean and Spanish labdanum is what the Grand Soir has. Okay, that might be doable as well. Oh, what the heck? Let's spray Matcha Meditation. Let's spray Matcha Meditation because I got a body splash for this one. Oh, I like that. So this is really opens very sweet and clean at the same time. And then it's like I think there's orange blossom and tuberose in here if I'm not mistaken. I don't really remember. That was a lot. Where are my coffee grounds? I just got my nose on a whole lot. Oh my gosh. That was nice. I knew I was gonna like it because I have the dupe. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. Let's do Amary's Femme on one day. Oud Silk Mood, Aqua Vitae, and then the extract version of Baccarat Rouge 540. That's it. That's our lineup. Oh, wait, whoa. We're doing Gentle Fluidity Gold. So we don't have to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Gentle Fluidity Gold for tomorrow. If you want to know all about this, we'll break it down. We'll go through it. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. I'll definitely get my notes together for the notes. And what I can say right now, it has amber, vanilla, musk. It's got woody notes, juniper berries, nutmeg, and coriander. And it's just a beautiful fragrance. So Gentle Fluidity Gold, I definitely highly recommend it. It's on the way. It's not here yet. All right, that was it. I hope you guys have fun with me spraying all this loveliness. I have to organize it because I'm very, right now I'm tripping out because everything's everywhere. Thank you so much, you guys. You guys enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And this week we will be focusing on Maison Francis Kurkdjion. So if you are interested in any of these lovely compositions, fragrances from that house, then tune in the rest of the week. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.